What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are going to show you how to operate Hyperia.
That's right, the newest roller coaster in the UK is now on Roblox and you get the chance to operate it. We're going to tell you everything you need to know from opening the gates to closing them again and dispatching your guests.
So let's get to it.
First of all, in order to become an operator, you must buy the game pass, which can be found in the store section, which is this little icon here in the game. The game pass is this one on the left and costs 400 Robux. In order to get to the operator's box, you must first get through the gates and across the track. Then you head up these stairs and you will enter the operator's box. This is the operator's panel. Whilst it may seem like a difficult machine to control, we can assure you that it's very easy to get used to it. To explain this, I'm going to hand you over to my good friend Jordan.
When the train enters the station, you want to use the parking sound, which sounds like this.
Welcome, Fearless. Push down on the lap bars to release them. Collect all personal belongings on the bag stand to the left and exit at the rear of the station.
The bottom right of the panel is gates. As you can see, turn left to open the gates, turn right to close the gates. And when you're done with that, you want to press the dispatch when you're ready to dispatch the train.
Restraints locked, wings forged. It's time to find your Fearless.
To dispatch the train in manual, you'll need a second operator. The operator will have to press the green button at the bottom left of the panel. On the right hand side of the station, for your second colleague, will flash green, and he will have to press it. We go to the top right of the panel, then we put it in auto to dispatch the train.
Restraints locked, wings forged. It's time to find your Fearless.
So watching this video guys, if you would like to have more videos like these, please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and a big thank you to Iro spending a lot of time through the process of this video.